Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the Daffodil Seeds in Heartopia. So right now, Heartopia has a new event, the Call of Wheels event, and in here, in this event, you can get new special flower, the daffodils. And in here, you also need this flower to complete this hydroponic flower quest from Oliver, this one. So to get these daffodil seeds, you just need to go to the blank, NPC blank, and then next just tap on the gardening store, and in here you can see it, you can buy the daffodil seeds with the 30 gold per pack, and there are 3 colors on here. There are red, yellow, and white. So just buy the color that you want, or you can also buy the all colors, and then just like that you will get this daffodil seeds. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.